We'll be arriving at the academy in just a few minutes.
That would be so great! Aren't you excited? We're going to be Jedi! Learning the ways of the Force, building a lightsaber. Ah, of course, you already have one. I'm gonna get one of those stupid training sabers and
I wouldn't worry about that.
I can't help it. I want to make a good impression.
You seem really nervous.
Aren't you? I mean, well, why would you be? You already have a lightsaber, so you're probably way ahead of me. I'm Rosh, by the way. What's your name?
Jaden.
So where'd you get that lightsaber?
Well, it's kind of a long story. I found myself on...
Hold on! Ah!
Academy to Yavin Runner 2. Do you copy?
Loud and clear. We made an emergency landing several clicks west of the academy.
Is everyone all right?
I think so.
Good. We'll send a shuttle to pick you up. Can you lead the students to the nearby Masasi Temple?
Affirmative, Academy. We'll meet you there. Jaden, we can't get to you. Make your way to the temple. The shuttle will meet...
Jaden, hey! I'm stuck! Can you help?
Hold... Josh, I'm on my way.
Jaden, see if you can make your way around there. Maybe you can use your lightsaber to cut those trees down the bridge. Thanks, Jaden. Let's get... These howlers make good
There
target
must be a
practice,
way
eh,
to
Jaden?
open this.
No Hey, maybe you can use your saber to make another bridge. Great, let's go. Maybe you should, check it out. You're the one with the lightsaber, after all. I saw a flash of light and ran over.
Everyone was holding some sort of set. Was all I can.
Sounds...
Yeah, I'm okay.
You always sense a disturbance in the Force. Yeah, it's a dark or of temple.
What?
Stern investigate? I'd love to.
I think that was Luke Skywalker.
Did you get easy? Excellent.